Hello everyone, welcome back to your online classes. Today we will discuss about how to do your HTML practical into your PC or in your mobile. Okay, let's begin with your PC. First of all, you have to open any text editor to edit the HTML codes. Here we will open or we will use the notepad. Okay. To open a notepad, you have to press your Windows key and R option. After that, a dialog box will be open which name is Run dialog box. In Run dialog box, you have to type notepad like this. And after typing notepad, you have to hit enter. Your notepad will be opened. Okay, after that you have to type some basic HTML code. This is only for testing purpose, so we are only including some basic tag or some basic syntax of HTML. Okay, suppose that HTML, after that head, after that title, after that you have to put any title. Here this is our first class. After that you have to close title and you have to also close the head. After that you have to open a body tag. Simply suppose that body. In body tab you may type anything whatever you want to display onto your web browser, because only the part of body tag is only visible to your web browser. Beyond the body tag are for the indexing purpose for the search engine and web browser. Okay, and the visible part are the content of body tag. Okay, then here you have to type hi, how are you. Okay, after that you have to close body. After that you have to also close HTML. Okay, and the most important thing is that how to save that document in the HTML format or using HTML extension. You have to click on file. After that you have to click on save as, and here you have to select save as type to all. Don't forget to select this type. You have to change from text document to all. After that you have to put any name, whatever you want to name your HTML file or HTML document. Suppose that I am naming with the name of VVK. This is the short form of my name, that is Vivek. After that you have to put a dot, and after that you may use HTML or HTM as an extension. After that choose a location. Suppose that in this case I am saving this document on my desktop and tap on save. After typing save button, you see that your HTML document is here. You have to open that HTML document to view with any web browser, like that Windows, like that Safari, Firefox, Internet Explorer or Edge web browser. I am using here Edge web browser to view that content. After that double clicking on that icon, your browser will be open. Okay, and here your content is visible to you, and this is the title content. This is here, this is our first class is the content of title tag. Okay, here you can this is your title which is visible to at the top of your web browser, like here. Okay, after that the body content, this is the body content, hi, how are you, is visible to the main content of your web browser. Okay, for example this is your main content. If you want to change something in your documents of HTML, then you have to open it in web browser into any text editor like Notepad or anything else. After that suppose that I want to give a background color to the body, I want to define about background color to red. Okay, then we have an option bg color is equal to red. If your attribute value is of one word, then you can omit your inverted quotes, but the right practice is to put a inverted quotes around them. After that, you have to save this document. This time you have only click on save. If you want to rename, or if you want to give a different name, or if you want to save a copy of that document, then you may use save as. So for first time you have to use save as, and after editing of same document you have to tap on save, or you may also use a shortcut key for that purpose, which is Control plus S. You have to put one finger at Control and second one on S. It will be saved. Tap on save. Here you can see that Control S is displaying the shortcut. Okay, save that document. After saving that document, you have to refresh your web page to view the changes whatever you have done into your web browser or into your HTML document. After refreshing, you can see that the background color of your document becomes red. Okay, this is the basic thing to display how to run a HTML document, and how to type a HTML document, and how to open it into your web browser. For those students who don't have any type of PC or laptop, there are also a solution for those students. You may use your HTML coding into your mobile also. For that purpose, you have to install a application. Let's begin with that. Student, here you can see display of my mobile screen. You have to go to Play Store. After that, you have to search an app which name is Webmaster. After searching the Webmaster application, you have several types of icons. This is the Webmaster Lite Edition, which is a free version with some limitations, and after that, this is a Webmaster HTML Pro Edition. The cost of Pro Edition is, I think, near about 308 or 305. You can see in your Play Store. If you want to buy this application, this is not very costly. This is a very simple and cheap application. You can buy that for a Pro version. But if you can't buy that version, then there is also a Lite version, and you can do all your stuff in your Lite version with some limitations. Okay. First of all, we will see a preview of Pro version. Open that application. Here you can see that I have typed some coding, but I am going to explain with from scratch. Okay, so that I am removing all this stuff. First of all, you can type with your mobile keyboards. Suppose that HTML. Here you can see that whenever I type HTML, it shows me some suggestion. You can simply type on that suggestion. It will be included into your coding. This is a Pro version. This feature is not available in your Lite version. Okay. After that, you can hit enter, and here you have to type head. After that, title. After that, this is our first page. Title close. You can also see that there is a color coding for each and every element of your HTML document. After that, you can close head. After that, you have to open body. In body, you may type whatever you want to type. Suppose that hi, how are you. Then you have to close your body. After doing all this stuff, you may save your documents with an extension. Suppose that you have to click on save as, and this is your root directory of your mobile file manager. Here you have to put any name whatever you want. Suppose that VVK and VVK1 because I have already saved and document with the same name. After that, here the .html extension is already included into your name. Okay. After that, you have to tap on save. If you want to run that code, then you don't need any type of web browser. There is also a provision for that. You have to tap on that option. This option will be display your coding or all the stuff whatever you coded into your HTML documents. Tap on that icon. Here you can see hi, how are you. You don't need any type of web browser if you have already installed this software. Okay. Then if you want to change this if you want to change the body background color, then you can also do that. After bg color, after that red. Okay. Don't forget to put that inverted quotes. If the value is of one word, then you can omit, but it is right practice to always have those inverted quotes. Okay, that's fine. After that, you have to save and click on that icon. Here the background will be displayed as your desired color, whatever you have written on that HTML document. Okay. So student, this is the basic setup of one thing. If you are using a light version, there is also solution for that. Suppose that if you are using your light version, we will discuss some step about light version also. Here is a light version. You can see that there are some codes already I have typed for a demo purpose. Okay. So what is missing in light version? In light version, you don't have any type of suggestion, and you can't use that option to display your code into your web browser. For that purpose, you have to manually open in that document into your web browser. Suppose that if you have saving this document as save as and into your root directory, suppose that vvk3.html. Then if you want to view that document into your web browser, then you have to go manually into your file manager. Into your file manager, see here is your desired document vvk3.html. Okay. Then click on that, and after that you have a prompt for where you want to or from which application you want to open this document. Please select any web browser you have installed into your mobile, and here is your code. Okay. Suppose that if someone wants to change the coding, then he have to do in light. Suppose that I want to change this color and set as a red, RED, and after that save that document. And if you want to see the changes, then you have to go your browser. After that you have to refresh that page. This will change your color coding. Okay, that's fine. So students, hope all of you have already seen that practical in your live classes, and it is very clear to all of you. If you want to do your practical, you can use both your mobile as well as your laptop or PC. There is no problem. Okay. So thanks for watching. We will meet in your next classes. Bye bye.